Were you the one that got jumped?
She has blood all over her.
Yeah. Do you want an ambulance?
There's people coming right now.
And they're the ones who jumped you?
Junior,
No. Vincent? No. I will take you to jail. Walk away. No. I'm going to take you to jail. I'm going to take you to jail.
I'm trying to go to jail, bro.
October 19th, 2024. What started as a teen fight ended with one of them attacking a police officer.
You alright, man?
Hi, sir.
You need an ambulance? I heard you got pretty messed up. You want to press charges or anything?
No, man.
Alright. Is it a friend of yours, or?
Oh, no, this is a woman.
No, the one you fought with. The one that beat you up, man.
I don't think anybody fought me. Anybody fought me?
Oh, you're that drunk?
That's up to you.
Oh, I'm probably that drunk.
That's up to you.
Alright.
No, I don't remember to be honest.
You don't remember fighting anyone? You know you got blood all over your face, right?
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. No, I don't think anybody punched me.
Okay. Alright. You calling an Uber?
Oh yeah, definitely.
No. We got family coming and get me. Yeah. No, my mom's coming to get me. It's all right.
I just need to stay with you because you're really drunk, so.
She works
No,
for
I'm not drunk at all.
Can you call an Uber so I can leave?
No, for sure. I'm very sorry for
You understand liability, right? I can't technically leave
Yes,
while
ma'am.
he's that drunk and that hurt.
I'm very sorry.
Especially if he's fighting on Main Street. I can't
Yeah,
leave you guys.
honestly,
I'm not.
Hey, Stormy. We're caught up with Vincent and a state trooper, I guess. Are you gonna laugh?
Are you a state trooper?
A cop, just a cop.
Okay, she's a cop.
Can I get your badge number?
Hey, stop.
Yes, you can get my badge number. Of course you can.
And what is that?
I don't know why she pulled us over.
I didn't pull you over. He has facial injuries. He's
He has facial
intoxicated.
injuries, but he claims he's okay.
I'm alright. I'm fine.
All right.
His face, he claims he's okay.
Could I go if I'm fine?
He's asking if he can go.
All right.
And I know you're like a social worker, so I just wanted to know if you can come to the scene.
Listen, you're not in any trouble. Literally, it was a fight.
No, I'm sorry.
I just need you guys to get picked up.
I'm very sorry.
I'm trying to talk to her because you're too drunk, man. Please just get a ride home.
I'm very sorry. We should go on our way.
Yeah,
No.
I think you're
I need you to get a ride home, or I'm going to take you to the hospital.
Yes, ma'am. I will get a ride home. I promise you
You
I'll
need
get a
to
ride home.
right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I will go
So
down the
if
street.
you're starting fights, you already admitted to me, you're not going to walk away now. So if you walk away, no, because if you walk away, you're going to end up in
I'm
handcuffs.
going to stand right
If
here.
you walk away, you're going to end up in handcuffs.
Okay, can I stand right here?
You can sit down right there. Call your mom, get picked up before you go to jail.
I'm not going to sit down, but I'll come over to come get me.
Sit down. Just take a seat, man. You just need to get a ride home, man.
Yeah.
I don't want to take you to jail, but I will if I have to. That's it.
No, I understand.
Okay. Have you been in jail before?
No.
Okay. You don't want to do that then, right? Is that the mom? Do you want me to tell her where you're
You
at?
want to talk to the police?
No.
Okay.
No.
She wants to talk to the police.
Just to
Go
tell you
ahead.
guys where
Here you
we're
go.
at. Hi, my name's Officer Keniston, Sarasota Police.
What are we doing?
Yeah, no, they're fine. There might have been a little physical altercation. I don't know what happened. I don't really care. As long as they're fine, they're safe. I just want them to get home safe. We're at Pineapple and Lemon. So just don't walk away, man.
You're my cousin.
I promise you I'm not going to win.
All right, I need someone here soon because he's trying to walk away and I have to take him to
I
jail.
promise you I'm not walking away. I will sit down. I will sit down.
Yeah, honestly, if you want to stay on the phone with him until whoever gets here who needs to get here, that's great. We can talk
I
to him.
promise you, I'm not trying to walk away. Once I can barely do a sit-up.
Just talk to your mom, chill there. You're going to get picked up in 10 minutes.
I'm not trying to press her.
Hey, Dominica, there's a female at the mark that just got, or security just got with her. I guess she's saying she got jumped over by the garage. If you want to go meet with her, I guess you haven't met with an officer yet. Her name's Marissa.
That's fine, though.
Can you walk fine?
Oh, no, I'm done.
No, come here. Get out of the street, though. I just don't want you to get hit by a car.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Hang on, ma'am.
Wait.
Is Marissa your sister?
Yes.
All right, listen, this is serious, okay? Because she's crying and we need her. So let's go. On the sidewalk? No, let's go see your sister. I'm gonna take you. Come on, walk on the sidewalk. Let's go. All right, just stay on the sidewalk for me.
Go.
You're fine, man. Take a right, okay?
I looked at blood my sister. Like, I've done this before.
Your sister's very upset, so we want to go try and find her. That's it. This way.
I really appreciate you, ma'am.
Yeah, no problem. Anyone need an ambulance? Were you the one that got jumped?
Yes, she has blood all over her.
Yeah. Do you want an ambulance?
There's people coming right now.
And they're the ones who jumped you? No. Vincent?
What the heck? Come on, bro.
I'm here. I'm here, though.
You're good.
Touch me, though.
I'm not gonna touch you.
She was very...
She was very
1394 at the mark.
Okay. Stop.
We got multiple students trying to fight.
Vanessa.
Vincent, the mark. No. I will take you to jail. Walk away. Walk away. I don't care. Walk away for now. Stay right there then. Listen, who's driving? Who's driving? Who's driving? Are you drunk? No. I'm gonna take you to jail. I'm gonna take you to jail.
I'm trying to go to jail, bro. You know what?
You guys gotta go.
I just came to
Hey,
all of them.
man, that's the dudes that was talking shit.
I don't care if they were talking. It's time to stop. It's time to stop.
Okay, just calm down.
All right.
We're all gonna go home.
It's just words, man. Let it go.
We're gonna go home. Let's walk to the car.
Enough.
I have to walk to the car, but
Hey, man. Can we cut it? Can we cut it? I got the camera on. You can keep the camera on. No, I got the camera on. I got my camera on.
They've been with me since I've been over.
It's just words, man. It's just words.
I got you.
Hey,
y'all think y'all tough. Y'all really not tough.
What's up?
they're ugly, bitch. Shut the
You know what? Because y'all got guns. What are you got? Because y'all got guns.
This is ridiculous. They're clowning us, and we're over here supposed to just I did.
But if I slap your ass, you ain't for the
You done, man? Come on now. Please stop. Please stop. Go with your girl.
Well, that's listen, it's so funny because it's like,
Dude, what is going on? You guys want us to everybody here?
I want you to go home is what I want you to do.
I don't want to fight anybody.
Then go home.
Let's go. Get out of here. Go. Go.
Hey,
Go.
Now it's really time for y'all to go home. Okay. Now it's really time for y'all to go home. Come with you, please.
I am. Come on.
Go with her, please. Go with her before you go with us. Go with her before you go with us.
Why don't you guys go home? She's going to jail.
She's going to jail. You guys are going home. Goodbye.
You can't push a cop. I told you this. That's what I told you.
Goodbye. Have a good night. We're done. Thank you. Time to go home.
It's alright.
Stand up.
I don't care.
You got that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Is that your stuff here? Listen to me.
Get your off my face.
Come on, guys, stop. Just stop, man.
you're going to go for it now, boy.
My sister.
Jail for this shit.
He's not gonna go. I gave him
He's going?
Hey, no.
Is he going?
Boy,
No.
boy, you better get stepping.
Ma'am.
Watch, boy, watch, boy, watch, watch.
Here, please. Come on. Come on.
Please.
Okay, please. Please.
Too late.
I'm getting her back. I'm getting her back.
We're done with this. He's already been in one fight. It's sort of his.
I've not been in the fight.
We're done. We're done. We gave you your chance. Now you're done.
I've not been in the fight yet.
Can you take him, please?
Everybody said you should hit me.
Hey, can I take his wallet with him,
I'm
please?
not sure, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
I swear to God, I've never been arrested.
Girl, so.
Stop. No, that's not a girl.
Hey.
Hey, and
Vanessa.
I look to my left. I
Vanessa.
can't look to my left. I
Vanessa.
can't look to my left.
Vanessa.
Who is that? Who's that? Bro, stop touching me.
Why are you doing
acting
this?
like an idiot, so stop.
Oh,
Why are you doing that?
nothing is touching me.
Vanessa, right now we have a female officer searching you because we have to.
Oh, what's that nigga
He's just
touching
holding.
me?
He's
What's
holding.
that touching me?
Can I talk? You're gonna keep yelling.
Bro, you're a fucking joke.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna just talk because they're holding you.
I really don't got nothing wrong with me. Why y'all shake me like that?
Good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
long as that don't touch me.
Get in the car. Sit up.
Bald head guy.
Put your button on.
I will.
You're gonna get dragged in there. Get in there.
You don't have to touch me. You don't have to do all that. Oh, you guys are a f***ing joke. I'm a bitch. And I'm threatening y'all, huh? Oh, I'm threatening y'all, huh? I'm hurting y'all. You guys are f***ing weirdos.
I know. That's.
Get away from me. Get the f*** away from me.
Here. Can you shift your legs a little bit so I can get this off you?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry.
You're good. No worries. It is what it is. All right. Can you step out my way, please? Here, don't forget your shoe. You have one shoe there, and we have another shoe in the back we'll get for you. There you go. And then come on my way.
What's your name?
My name? It's Malik.
Alec. I'm sorry.
It's all right. Stuff happens. Don't fall.
Oh, it's okay.
All right. Hang tight, okay?
Okay.
Here, let's get your other shoe, okay? Let's go back here. Can you have the other black shoe in there tonight?
Oh, you're nice. Yes.
Just toss that over here for me. Her friend's shoes.
No, it's mine.
I know. The other ones. I just didn't want to leave them on the. Don't fall. Don't fall.
Sorry,
it's all good.
sorry.
I just didn't want to leave them out there in the middle of the street.
Okay, I can't even be mad at you guys.
Well, I'm glad. I'm glad you can't be mad at us.
I can't not.